Hey guys, my name is Naza, and today I'm going to show you how to start earning crypto with zero budget. Yes, zero. Today we're going to talk about one of the most viral crypto projects right now called HAMSTER KOMBAT. Basically, this is a simple game where you do simple tasks, uncover different mysteries, and share it with friends. It's that simple. So today's video I'm going to show you how it all works, how to use it, and of course, how much can you make. So first of all, what do you need to start earning these tokens? Number one, you will need Telegram because this game runs on Telegram. So download Telegram if you don't have it already on your phone. Next up, use the link in the description because this link will give you 5,000 free points at start. So once you're on Telegram, just open the app and click play in one click. This will open the game. So once you open the game, you will see the reward. So for you, if you use my link in the description, you're getting 5,000 free points. For me, it's not my new account, so I'm getting 7,000 points from my past gameplay. So let's collect the rewards, and now you will have your hamster. And you can see there is lots of different buttons, and I'm going to explain you what all of these buttons mean, and of course, how to maximize your gains. So first of all, when you tap on this hamster, you're collecting points. And right here in the corner, you can see how many points you're getting per tap. And lower right here, you have your energy. And you can actually raise these numbers. If you click boost, you can see you can select multi-tap. For example, for 64,000 points, I will get one more plus point for the tap. And also I can raise my energy with the energy limits. For example, if I pay 16,000 points, so let's go ahead. I'm getting even more energy. Now I can get 5,500 energy. And what's also really cool, you can actually double tap with two buttons and actually get points even faster. So this is the easiest way, just tapping. But if you're using this app for the first time, I recommend you to start off at the earn button because this is a really easy way to get your first points without inviting friends, without actually doing anything. So first of all, of course, collect your daily rewards. After that, we can do all of the simple tasks. For example, join the Telegram, follow the project on Twitter, choose the exchange. So basically just choose what exchange you're using. And also, if you have friends, you can invite your friends and get rewards for that. After that, we can actually watch the videos of the project and get lots of points. For example, for the new Academy video, you're getting 100,000 points. And for the Easy Start Guide, you're also getting 100,000 points. So actually pretty good points when we are starting. Next up, let's jump in back to the main page. Next great way to actually get your first millions is to go to the mine. And right here, you have the daily combo worth $5 million. And if you're actually watching this video today, this is the daily combo, this influencers, meme coins, and shit coins. So every day they have 3 different perks that are in daily combo. And if you know these 3 special perks, you buy 3 of them and you're getting 5 million token or points rewards. And the easiest way to know the daily combo is to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing daily updates showing you daily combos. And also you can join my free Telegram in the description to get your daily combo first. So right here we have different perks. As I mentioned, we have the markets, we have the PR team, and we have the legal. So basically, if you want to raise your number, if you go to the main page, this is your profit per hour. If you want to raise this number, let's get back to the mine. You can see you actually can buy these perks. So for example, fan tokens, I'm at the level 2. If I pay 12,000, I will get profit per hour 2,000. So actually, if I buy it, for example, 12,700, profit per hour will grow for 1,000. You can see my profit per hour grew. So actually, if you invest money and you actually grow your perks, grow your exchange, you're getting more profit passively. So let's buy, for example, top 10 coin market cap pairs. Again, 1,000 and I'll get 100 plus rewards per hour. Again, I bought it and my profit per hour grew. Also, there is one more secret way. Every day they have a special secret Morse code. And actually to launch that, you need to click 3 times on the earn per tap button and then type in the secret Morse code on the hamster. I actually did it already today. But again, guys, if you want to do that, it gives you 1 million points daily. And of course, if you want to know the code, don't forget to subscribe and join the free Telegram in the description. It's the easiest way. And on top of that, I decided to actually do a $50 weekly giveaway for everyone joining my Telegram and doing simple tasks. And I think the giveaway will grow with the members in the Telegram. Maybe when we reach 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 followers, maybe 100,000 followers, maybe I'll do daily giveaways, maybe I'll do $10,000 giveaways. I don't know yet, but for now we are starting from $50 a week. So subscribe to my YouTube, join my Telegram because we're going to do updates about this project and also giving you daily combos and the secret Morse phrase. Subscribe and see you on the next one.